Hello everyone. Today we will discuss another topic under banking and insurance law. Today we will discuss about mediclaim, or we can say health insurance. We have already discussed other types of insurance, so we will cover health insurance. The list of topics to be covered here are introduction, definition, and what is the importance of health insurance. There are certain benefits of health insurance and what is the health insurance claim process. Let's start. A health insurance policy is a contract between an insurer and an individual or group in which the insurer agrees to provide specified health insurance at an agreed upon price, which is also termed as premium. It usually provides either direct payment or reimbursement for expenses associated with illness and injuries. The cost and range of protection provided by health insurance depends on the insurance provider and the policy purchased. A systematic plan for financing medical expenses is an important and integral part of the risk management plan. With the rising healthcare cost, it was no longer possible for an individual to meet the heavy cost of treatment involving hospitalization. The reasons for rise in healthcare cost are increase in medical treatment cost, technological advancements in medical equipment, and high labor cost. If we want to define health insurance, we can say that health insurance is an insurance which covers a financial loss arising out of poor health condition or due to permanent disability which results in loss of income. Now, why health insurance is important? Buying a health insurance policy for yourself and your family is important because medical care is expensive, especially in the private sector. Hospitalization can burn a hole in your pocket and derail your finances. It will become even tough if the person who brings in the money is now in a hospital bed. All this can be avoided by just paying a small annual premium, which would lessen your stress in case of medical emergency. A good health insurance policy would usually cover expenses made towards doctor consultation fees, cost towards medical tests, ambulance charges, hospitalization cost, and even post-hospitalization recovery cost to a certain extent. There are certain benefits of health insurance, such as cashless treatment. If you are insured, you can get cashless treatment as your insurance company would work in collaboration with various hospital networks. So, if you are suffering from any disease or injury and you want to get yourself treated from any hospital, then you can get yourself get the treatment of your disease or injury in a cashless form, as the insurance company would pay to the hospital on your behalf if you have taken any health insurance policy from them. Next is pre and post hospitalization cost coverage. Insurance policy also covers pre and post hospitalization charges up to the period of 60 days, depending on the insurance plans purchased. So it also helps you in the long term days of your disease or the treatment. Next is transportation charges. Insurance policy also covers the amount paid to ambulance towards the transportation of insured. While getting the treatment from any hospital, we almost ignore all the small amounts which are charged during the whole process. So a health insurance policy also covers all those charges which are almost unseen to a person during getting a treatment. Next is no claim bonus. This is the bonus element which is paid to the insured if the insured does not file a claim for any treatment in the previous year. Whenever insurance company asks you to renew your policy every year, it provides you a bonus element only if you have not filed a claim in the previous year for your insurance policy. Another benefit is medical checkup. Insurance policy also provide options for health checkups. Free health checkups is also provided by some insurers based on your previous no claim bonuses. Certain policies have these rules that if you up to a certain period of time does not claim any treatment or any amount under your health insurance policy, then that particular insurance company provides you free health checkup under your insurance policy. Another benefit is room rent. Insurance policy also covers room expenses depending upon the premium being paid by the insured. Here, sometimes some people are having health insurance policies of which premium are extra than the normal, they get the facility of the room rent which is paid by the insurance company and not by the insured. Another benefit is tax benefit. Premium paid on health insurance is tax deductible under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. Health insurance claim process. A health insurance policy equips you to get the best healthcare treatment without worrying about the huge cost payable at the time of discharge. Therefore, knowing about the claim process is an essential piece of information that the insured individual should be aware of at all the times. There are two main types of health insurance claim which an individual can choose from when making a claim, which are cashless benefit and reimbursement. Cashless claim process. When the insured individual provides their health insurance details to the respective hospitals, he/she begins to receive treatment. Upon discharge, the hospital will forward the medical bills to the designated health insurance company. The company will then audit the expenses and settle the outstanding payment due to the hospital. This process is hassle-free for the insured as the payments are between the hospital and the insurance company. And in this particular case, the insured can get his treatment from the hospital without any stress related to the payment made to the hospital. Next process is the reimbursement claim process. In the reimbursement claim process, the insured individual who has been admitted to a certain hospital pays for the entire treatment until discharge. Once the insurer has paid for the treatment and hospitalization cost incurred, he/she have to make a reimbursement claim to the particular insurance company. The insured individual will have to provide original bills of the hospital to the health insurance and claim reimbursement. The insurance company will audit the claim and will then decide to approve or reject it. On approval of the insurance company, the claim will be made to the policy holder. The insurance company will notify the insured individual in case of the claim has been rejected. In this particular case, the insured has to be a little bit aware of the expenses and the bills which are given by the hospitals during the treatment, as it will definitely help to claim the reimbursement from the insurance company.